Hello everyone. Firstly, I want to tell you that like humans, animals have also various sounds. And here we will see the most common voice of every individual animals. So, let's have some fun with their sounds. Nightingale. Nightingale makes pipe, sing and warble sound. Wolf. Wolf make whoo sound. Cat. Cat makes meow sound. Cuckoo. Cuckoo makes coo sound. Cow. Cow makes moo sound. Duck. Duck makes a quack quack sound. Frog. Frog makes a croak croak sound. Tiger. Tiger makes a roar sound. Hummingbird. Hummingbird makes a hum sound. Horse. Horse make a hey sound. Peacock. Peacock makes a scream sound. Elephant. Elephant makes a trumpet sound. Lion. Lion makes a goat. Goat makes a meh sound. Gorilla. Gorilla makes a sound. Pigeon. Pigeon makes a coo sound. Dog. Dog makes a woof woof sound. Crocodile. Crocodile makes a sound. Snake. Snake makes a hiss sound. Owl. Owl makes a hoot hoot sound.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.